Let's quickly make a breakfast combo of spicy chops and chips. Although we are combining them in this video, but you can make them separately to suit your desire. This can be used for occasional purposes to boost up your small chops, bakes and trips, or for a home consumption. Most fascinating about this gorgeous yum is that it can be prepared within a few minutes with a non-rigorous process. Shh, let's go there. Hello, it's Chinedo Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com, and we teach you how to make pastries, snacks and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. To begin, add some water into your bowl and place them in the refrigerator and allow to cool. To another bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 tablespoon of yeast and ensure that it's active, and you add flavor of about half teaspoon. To be precise, this is a powdered vanilla flavor. So homogenize different components added through mixing using your spatula. But before now, I have some warm water over the stove. Add them slowly while mixing with your spatula until a thick paste is formed. So in summation, the total water added is about 1 milk cup of water, which is about 150 ml of water. I'll keep on mixing this until it becomes thick, pasty, slurry and drawy in texture. As soon as that is done, cover the lid of the bowl and allow it to rise for about 15 minutes to 20 in a warm environment. Now it's time to prepare our chips for the quick breakfast. I will begin by peeling off the back of the potato. It's important to know that this potatoes has been pre-washed earlier before now. Once you are done with peeling, discard the extraneous part and get ready for slicing. And speaking about slicing, we're gonna be using chips slicer to do that. Now on the carton of this slicer, it is written plantain slicer. That is what people use for all these plantain chips and other chips. But right now and in today's video, we'll be using it as a potato slicing machine. There are many ways to use this slicing machine. You can just lay it on a flat surface and begin to brush through the surface with the potato, just like this. You can check out for the one already sliced and ensure that they are coming out lighter and lighter. Another way to do this is to incline the slicer at angle 90 degrees, just as you are seeing, and begin to brush through. You can see the slice coming out as a whole and light and so easy, but be careful so you don't brush through your finger. So once you are through, we're going to do one thing now, that is to give the slice a cold water treatment to prevent enzymic browning. This was the water we placed in the fridge at the beginning of the video. After adding the slice into the cold water, I will allow to rest for about 5 minutes. Now back to the chops section. We'll be adding some vegetables for spiciness and flavor, such as pepper and onion, into the chops. So I will dice them in a longer shape and set them aside. Strain out the water, pour into kitchen cloths and press gently and allow to absorb the water completely out of the chips. Pour back into the sieve and get ready to fry. Now that our chopped dough has risen, I'll add pepper and onion into it. Heat up my oil and begin to fry. So take a mold, ensure each mold contains pepper and onion, and begin to drop them into your hot oil. It's important to be stirring while frying so as to enable evenly distribution of the heat all around the chops. So keep stir frying until it caramelizes to a brown color all around the chops. Once your puff is all round brown, then you know it is ready. So I'm gonna scoop the puff. Repeat the frying process for the rest of the chops until the whole chops is completely fried. Let me quickly inform you also that the addition of fresh vegetables slices could cause rough texture and look on your chops, so you can use powdered one or you avoid using at all if you want it smooth. But for the sake of this recipe, this is how we want it. So at this point, pour in your chips and begin to fry. Note that the potato chips takes more time to fry. This is because of higher moisture content of the potato chips, so you might require higher heat and higher time during this frying process. As the chips gets ready, it becomes lighter in weight, browner in color, and crispier in texture. So I'll keep stir frying until it is ready. Once it becomes dried, light, crispy and flaky, then it is ready. You can scoop and allow to cool. So we have successfully made chops and chips from potato and from flour. Not just chops, but a spicy and flavorful chops. As for the chips, you can sprinkle some pepper or sugar or anything you want to eat with, but I like it this nice and simple. Thank you for watching. I appreciate. Please endeavor to like, share and comment. Subscribe if you're watching from YouTube, and follow up our page if you are watching on Facebook. Visit us at salpesfoodblog.com and enjoy your day. See you in my next one.